Hello everyone, I'm jdflutes. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. This is a bass E tuned to 528 Hertz. 528 Hertz is the frequency of love. This flute here is actually a customer's flute. I did a few items for him that he wanted on his flute. But first, this flute here is a bass E tuned to 528 Hertz. It has a 1-inch bore. It's been bored using a gun drill. The wood's not been split, so you won't have to worry about this flute cracking. It should last a lifetime if you take care of it. On his flute, he wanted me to come up with a sun design, a sun, and he also wanted me to put one love next to the sun somewhere. So this is what I came up with for him. On the very top of the flute, hope you can see it, I came up with this design for him. I have the sun on the bottom and the words "One Love" on top of the sun. I felt like it came out beautiful. It looks really good in person. But as he's playing, the audience can see the engravings while he's playing. On this bass E here, I managed to make the finger holes small on it, so anyone should be able to play this flute with no problems at all. For the fetish, well, first I've also engraved his name on the side of the flute. For him. Hope you can see it. It came out very nice. With his flute, he also wanted a plain flat block fetish in walnut. And since he wanted this dark scheme, I went ahead and I put genuine dark brown leather for him. For the contrast. Also, on your 528 Hertz flutes, up under the bottom of your flute, I will have 528 Hertz written. On the very bottom. This flute here is an oil finish, but it will come shiny finish if that's what you like. He wanted me to do an oil finish for him. I felt like his flute came out really nice. Its voice is just lovely. I love it. I hope you all love it also. Also, these flutes will come with different types of fetishes. This is just the one that he chose. I'll give you a list of fetishes. I'll even send you photos of those fetishes. That way you can just go down and pick the one that you like the most. 528 Hertz, bass E, the frequency of love. Let me know what you think. It takes very little breath. You won't have to play it really hard, but this flute will take hard playing. If that's what you prefer, but it'll just take really just very soft breaths is all it'll take. You won't have to kill yourself playing this flute. Very little breath. Also, this flute will be in its natural state. I didn't add any reverb whatsoever. What you see is what you get. I feel like this flute has a wonderful voice. Let me know what you all think. If you would like to purchase a bass E tuned to 528 Hertz, the love frequency, I'll have my contact information below this video, and also at the end of this video. I'll have my phone number, I'll have my email address. If you give me a phone call, a lot of times I have so many phone calls, I have so many customers. 9 times out of 10 it's going to take me 24 hours to get back to you. If you shoot me an email, I'll give you a list of prices, and 9 times out of 10 it'll be sale prices. Just shoot me an email. 9 times out of 10 I'll email you within 10 to 15 minutes. I try to stay on top of my emails. I don't want my customers to be waiting, for an answer. I want to go ahead and respond right then. So, if you would like to purchase one of these flutes, just contact me and we'll work out a deal. I promise you I'll give you the best quality that I'll give. As of right now, I feel like I'm doing some of the best quality that I've ever done. I've been making flutes since 2010. And I've learned a lot, folks, since 2010. I continuously give God the credit for my learning abilities. I couldn't do any of this if it wasn't for the Lord. You know, if there's something out there in the shop, if I'm having troubles and I can't figure it out, I'll talk to God about it and I'll ask Him to help me figure it out. And guess what? Within a few minutes, a lot of times, bam, that idea pops into my mind, and I know it's coming from Him. I want to continue to thank you all for purchasing my flutes. I couldn't do it without you all. So, since y'all's looking out for me, I will look out for you. If you want a flute, if you need a flute for your business, just contact me and I'll give you the best possible deal that I can give. I hope everyone has a blessed day. Be safe. And I'll see you later. It's coming up Valentine's. Happy Valentine's. See you later.